Hi, it's Gretchen Dixon, a product specialist and trainer at SOLABS, a company dedicated to helping small to mid-sized life sciences companies learn from experience by automating their quality systems through use of our SOLABS QM software. Hopefully by now you have had a chance to go onto our knowledge base through solabs.com and take a look at the short overview video that helps you see the functionality of SOLABS QM. Today, I'd like to talk about QM Essentials. What is QM Essentials? It's a way to get you started using the SOLABS QM software. It's a package that includes document management, the reports portal, and a couple of processes. Let's take a look. With QM Essentials, you have access to the document section, which is key to all of the other sections of the software, since documentation is so critical to everything in a regulated environment. So, in the document section, as we looked at on the overview video, your users have access to look at documents that may be pending for them to review or approve, that they frequently look at, or that your administrators manage for your site, such as managing documents at any stage in their life cycle. You can house your documents in SOLABS QM through the document tree view, and this is also where you can manage privileges to who can simply read those documents, review and approve them, create or modify them, and administer permissions on them. You also get access to our SharePoint's reports portal with the QM Essentials package. Let's look at that. In the reports portal, you have access to document listing reports for the document section. You can easily look by document type at your documents that are in the system. So for example, we can take a look at just SOPs. If we'd like an SOP index of our effective SOPs, we can sort just for standard operating procedures at a status of approved and effective. Apply that filter, and then have a convenient document listing report that shows all of your approved and effective SOPs, their control number, their name, the effective date, and even a convenient link directly to the document. What else do you get with the QM Essentials package? In the process section, you have access to 2 process apps. You have our document control process with QM Essentials. If we look at the flowchart, you'll see that the document control process provides you a change control process for your documents if you'd like to use it. It allows a workflow where users at your company can request a change to a document, a new document, or the retirement of an existing document. If the document type settings require owner-manager approval for any changes, the workflow will go to the selected owner-manager before going to your document administrators for processing. If you do implement our training section at any time, the document control process includes a notification to your training administrator if any of the documents being created or revised are ones that are linked to training or need to be linked to a new training activity. At the end, your document administrator will manage making the document effective. You get another process app with QM Essentials, and that is our Audit Process. The Audit Process allows you a workflow to manage the planning of the audit, preparation activities for the audit, the actual audit execution itself, and then after the audit, the issuance of an audit report, managing the responses from whatever site was audited, and any completion requirements, which may be CAPAs, to take care of any of the findings of the audit. This process can be used for supplier audits, internal audits, external audits, and as you're aware, documentation is critical to all of those. So this is one process app that you will get with QM Essentials. So that is the QM Essentials package. It's a way to get started with SOLABS QM and allow you to manage your documents, get reporting on those documents, and use the document control process or the audit process if you'd like. After that, you can choose to implement the training section and any additional process apps either initially or whenever you'd like to in the future.